Hello, my friends, and welcome. My name is Dennis, and as you probably know, I'm the airline captain. And today I will challenge the Flight Simulator 2020. This video is promising to be very interesting, so stay tuned. Alright, so here is Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020, and I already updated it to the latest version. Here we have the world map, you can select everything, and the tour of Japan. I cannot fly it because one or more required items are missing, and I have the standard version of Microsoft Flight Sim, the cheapest one, so probably I'm missing some kind of the plane, so I cannot perform the tour of Japan, but I can have other activities over here, and let's challenge ourselves. Landing challenges or bush trips. Let's go to the landing challenges today, and let's choose famous, epic, or strong wind. Short airfields or something famous. Let's go to the famous, and what we have here. I will select the airport with less surroundings, with less buildings, since I have not very powerful laptop. Nice, probably, and it's in France. I used to fly there, and we have Texton Aviation Beechcraft Banasa G36. Let's fly there. Wow, we have runway 2 to right, and the wind is almost headwind. Actually, I flew there only once, and I had the same runway for landing on Boeing 737, or probably to left, I think, to left, yes. And you need to perform your final turn quite close to the city at altitude of around 800 feet on Boeing 737, but here we can go a little bit closer since we fly just I think piston engine airplane. So here we should maintain 90 knots, and on short final 79 knots. Alright, we have the Nice airport and the airplane. We already have flaps in the middle, maybe for takeoff flaps. We have the maximum thrust setting. Why? I don't know. It seems like I'm unable to set the, I don't know why. Anyway, I have the very cheap Joy with me, and we'll try to fly it. The gear is not down. Yes, we'll not go inside the cockpit since let it be in arcade mode. I want you to see this airplane, and we're gonna fly just for runway 2 to right, somewhere there. I already can see runway 2 to left, and yes, in real life I landed there. It was a long time ago, I think 3 years ago or something. I used to be the first officer, and I was first officer on Boeing 737. I've flown there just once, and yeah, nice airport, great looking city. You can spot some of the terrain there, nice. And you didn't, it's lagging, still lagging. I installed a new driver for my video NVIDIA graphic processor, but it didn't help as far as I see. I have a very average computer, and I have the graphic processor 1060 GTX NVIDIA. Okay, I'll reduce the thrust here. 500 feet, and you can see the runway is in the front. I'll set the landing gear later because the speed will drop very fast with landing gear, and I'll just land with the middle position, with flaps in the middle position. Oh, it's lagging. What I need to do is I need to land near to the center, as close as possible to the central line, and to touchdown area. So here I'll select the gear down. Still flying some part of the runway. You can see we have displaced threshold. Oh no, it's lagging. I'll put some thrust. I'll remove the thrust. We are out of the central line, and come on, we should go, we should land. Alright, stop. I think we passed the central line here. Not a good landing. See how it counts? Congratulations! We are at place of 25,211. Oh, a touchdown. It's a little bit hard landing with 400 feet per minute. It's hard landing.
Pum pum.
Okay, let's try to land this maybe huge airplane, New York JFK, USA. We'll see how it goes. The Boeing 747. I think it will be lagging. I think it will with my laptop. But anyway, we'll see. Alright, the JFK airport. It seems like runway 31 left. For us, the white one. And here's our airplane. Again, the flaps extending. Boeing 747-8. Nice, I have the nice throttle control this time. I have very interesting clouds, maybe because of those clouds the simulator will be lagging, I don't know. It is lagging, I don't know why, but this version with new update is more lagging than the previous version. It was more or less okay flying this airplane, but flying this flight simulator, but now it's so laggy. Maybe I need to go a little bit down to see the more or less nice profile. I'll not go back to the cockpit here, or not fly from the cockpit. Oh, we'll go down. Losing the altitude. We need to push it up a little bit and trim nose up. Losing the speed, flaps are 20 degrees, and we'll select the flaps later on. So the gear down. I'll set the gear down, so extending, hopefully, just to check. Okay, we have the landing gear, nice. So we aim for this white runway. Oh, the speed is dropping. Okay, we'll extend the flaps and add some power. This speed is pretty much okay, 150 knots with wind correction that we have with the headwind of 15 knots, most with the headwind. It's more or less okay. So fly like this and aim for that white runway ahead, this one. And then we'll flare. Oh, it's lagging, freezing. Very bad. Okay, I'll reduce the speed because it's kind of growing up. The threshold is also displayed here, so I need to fly across 2 runways before I touch down on our runway, and I need to cross the runway marking at around 50 feet. That's the normal thing, normal 3 degrees glide slope. You cross the runway threshold at 50 feet. So here's the first runway, you can see the dark one. So we cross it and we fly across it. It's lagging, Then we cross the second dark runway. Then we land. Speed is dropping, but it's okay, So, oh, no, we are too low, probably. We should cross that marking at 50 feet. Oh, it's okay, reduce the thrust. Come on, and stop. Alright. Could go to complete stop, it's lagging. I need to stay on the runway. Come on. It's very hard to control. Well, I have not very expensive. Probably I have one of the cheapest joysticks. That is why. Okay, congratulations. My score is 20,006, also hard landing. So we were at Nice and JFK airport. Let's go to Chile and let's fly the simplest Cessna 172 airplane. Not quite short runway probably. Let's fly it. I'm not type rated for Cessna, and I flew Cessna 152 just once in my life, and I would say it's like a bicycle. I got my private pilot license flying a tailwheel airplane, non-standard. It was Wilga. 35 Poland made airplane. Where is the touchdown there? So I think I should keep the central line after landing, probably. Okay, 67 knots, and it start to lag, to freeze. Come on, should flare. Ow! 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 It freezed just before the landing, so maybe I'll refly it. It was very hard landing. I thought I crashed the plane. Congratulations. Yeah. I touched down with 1,819 feet per minute. Significant deviation, etc. So there were people who got even less points. Maybe we should challenge who have less points and won't crash the plane. Oh man, I think I should restart this one. Pum pum. I think we should do it from the cockpit perspective. Let's go inside the cockpit and it should be more or less okay. It's down there, and let's do it more challenging. Okay, switch the engine off. It's still rotating, but it's not producing any thrust. It's like windmilling. The propeller is windmilling. So we're gonna do the challenge without the engine. As you can see, we don't have the throttle control anymore. The runway is just ahead. Just gonna land it. Let's extend the flaps to full, because it seems like we are overflying. Put the nose down here. Descend, my friend. And then flare. The speed is fine. Flare here. And no, not to put the nose down. And just maintain. Boom. Landing. This landing was nice with no engine. Just a little bit left of the central line. As you can see, the propeller is okay. Okay, we have lots of points for this landing, and touchdown was really smooth compared to what I've done before in different airplanes. It seems like I understood those challenges, and let's go back. Epic place. So, well, let's go and try epic place. This airport is very, in the Caribbean, it's very famous. I should land there. The airplane is quite powerful here, so it should maintain 105 knots on our final approach. Yeah, this place is fantastic. I would like to fly there on a real airplane. And it's very challenging airport. I wonder if it's even legal to fly this King Air there, because the runway there is very, very short. One of the shortest runways ever built. I wonder if we may do it. I wonder if we can do the landing there. 500 were very low, so I'll add some thrust. Let's pitch up, losing the speed. Come on, I already may see the runway. I'm able to see it. Let's pitch down. If you pitch up, you lose the airspeed. If you want to add the thrust. If you pitch down, you gain the airspeed. That's the rule. So here I will reduce the thrust because I'm already on more or less in profile. The speed is fine. I don't have the reverse thrust setting for these engines. This is why I need to land at a lower speed than usual, probably. 97 knots. Oh, it's lagging, sorry. So here's the very short runway. And the speed is okay. Let's go with touchdown. Wow, it was very hard. Go around. Let's try to go around. Okay. Yes, we did the go around. Positive rate, gear up. Why? Your touchdown was cancelled. Yes, I know. Pum pum. Let's do our favorite thing. Go to the cockpit and go for the engine control and move everything down. Broom, broom, broom. I think we already stopped the engine. Well, landing gear, yeah, we don't have it right now. Let me see where is the airport. It's there. A master caution, we have master warning. Let's extend the landing gear. I hope it will be extended. Landing gear and flaps for landing also. I wonder if we have the airspeed enough for our landing. Where is it? Where is the... Oh, here's the airfield. Nice. So we're gonna land there. The speed is very high, I think, because the pitch is very low. We go down, we lose the speed, and then we touch down. We'll go like this, losing the speed. Alright, here we go with our landing. Touchdown. Come on, let's brake. Use brakes. Use brakes. No. Yep. With no engines, it's okay. You did not land on the designated runway? Why? I don't see any runways there, my friends, except of this one. And I wasn't landing from the other direction. It was the same runway that they gave to me. Oh, try to land this time, hopefully. Let's go a little bit lower than usual. The speed is dropping and we go near to the stall speed, my friends, because otherwise it's very difficult to stop the airplane there. Okay, we're lagging. The game is lagging. It's okay for us. Speed goes down, it's okay. The pitch is high, it's also okay. I think. Yeah, the speed is very low, and it's fine. Stall. Come on. This is how we do it. Alright, congratulations. 16,321. Alright, the touchdown was more or less okay. More or less smooth. Landing precision was not fine. We deviated during the landing roll, I think. For bush trips, test your navigation skills and fly long distance across remote locations. So long distance means long time, so I think it's not very interesting for you, my friends. Let's go to the strong wind. Try strong wind, and let's try maybe Cessna, this one, in Sedona, USA. Oh, we need to cross it like this. The wind is not very strong as for a big airplane, but for this small airplane, yes it is. And it's tabletop runway, as you can see. Alright, let's fly our Cessna. What is happening to this Cessna? It's shaking violently. Maybe it's the turbulence or something. We have flaps in the first position. And what a wonderful place here. It's the really tabletop runway, and we should land from that side. The speed is going up and down. Well, anyway, nice to fly it here. Nice surroundings, nice everything, but we are a little bit shaking. Maybe because of the wind. For sure because of the wind. Yeah, it's shaking. But we can fly. I hope the simulator will not lag so much. Going to the base turn, and let's add some of the power. Extend the flaps more. The landing gear already extended from the Cessna factory. Oh, the wind is blowing. It's very hard to control this airplane. Need to pitch down, pitch down, pitch down. It's very challenging to fly in these windy conditions, but I have never experienced like the airplane shaking like this from what I see. Yeah, you have some ups and downs, but not this side movement. You may have rolls because you may have some uplifts to your wing. Okay, put the maximum thrust here. Alright, okay, we are in a line with the runway, more or less. Oh, it's going up and down, up and down. It's very difficult to control it. Okay, extend the flaps even more and retract the power, reduce the power. Well, it's challenging, it's very challenging, my friends. Should I land properly? Should I land? Maybe I should land. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, oh, come on. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. Stop, stop, just stop here. It was hard landing, my friends, hard landing. And yeah, very challenging. My friends, let me know what should I try on this flight simulator, Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. Just let me know in the comment section below your ideas, your wishes, what should I fly. And also, I know you're an awesome guy because you are watching my videos. That is why you need to follow the awesome guy checklist. First, you need to like this video, then subscribe to my channel, then ring the bell, whatever it means. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great time. Pam pam.